Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Are you installing new brake pads on your vehicle and wondering how to brake them in properly? In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about braking and brake pads to ensure optimal performance and longevity. From understanding the importance of the break-in process to step-by-step instructions, you'll learn valuable tips to get the most out of your new brake pads. Don't skip this crucial step in maintaining your vehicle's braking system. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked but absolutely crucial when it comes to maintaining your vehicle's braking performance: braking and brake pads. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or new to automotive maintenance, this video will provide you with all the information you need to ensure your brake pads perform at their best right from the start. So let's get started. Understanding the importance of braking and brake pads. Before we jump into the process, let's first understand why braking and brake pads is essential. When you install new brake pads, they need to adapt to the surface of the brake rotor to achieve optimal contact and friction. The break-in process allows the brake pads to transfer an even layer of friction material onto the rotor, ensuring smooth and consistent braking performance. Step-by-step guide to braking and brake pads. Choose an appropriate location. Find a safe and quiet stretch of road where you can perform the break-in process without interruptions. Gradual braking. Start by gently applying the brakes to bring the vehicle to a slow speed, around 30 miles per hour. Repeat this process several times, allowing the brakes to cool between each application. Moderate braking. Gradually increase the braking force to about 50% of your vehicle's braking capacity. Again, repeat this process multiple times, ensuring the brakes have time to cool down. Firm braking. Finally, perform a few firm stops from higher speeds, around 60 miles per hour. This step helps to further transfer the friction material onto the rotor surface. Cool down. After completing the break-in process, drive the vehicle at a moderate speed to allow the brakes to cool down completely. Tips for optimal results. Avoid sudden or aggressive braking during the break-in period. Monitor the brake pedal feel and performance. If you notice any unusual noises or vibrations, inspect the brake system for any issues. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for break-in procedures specific to your brake pads. Conclusion. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your new brake pads are properly broken in, resulting in improved braking performance and longevity. Remember, taking the time to brake in your brake pads correctly can make a significant difference in your driving experience and safety on the road. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive tips and tutorials.